Hello there. So I'm just getting ready, so I thought I'll film a short clip. How are you all doing today? So I'm not wearing any makeup at the moment, but I'm going to wear soon. Okay, just finding some earrings from here, like literally I can't find. Whenever I'm getting ready, I can't find the matching jewelry. See, no, gosh, what is this? Beautiful. Okay, it will match my outfit, so I'm gonna be wearing this. Literally I did cut a lot of my hair, so now you can just see colors are like this. I am like thinking of doing my hair again, because like last time I think I colored my hair which I don't know, like you can see, I think I just used a washout color which washes out in 8 washes, I think. So I applied that, and like I think it's now has washed out, so now my hair is ready to be colored. So this is the regrowth. I colored like from top, so it has grown from here to here. Now it's time for me to color my hair again. So like the color has washed out, so now I can actually see this brown part. So now I'm gonna be coloring it again. I'm gonna be using the same color I think I've used in my previous videos, so doesn't matter. I'm gonna be just covering it up a bit, and like I'm gonna just apply this product. Okay, I think I have shared with you all in lots of my videos, and also I did a tutorial using this, and this is good. It comes like this, and this one will just cover up this part. I'm just using a brush, random brush. Okay, you can just use a big brush for this, and it will just smooth out everything, and also it will like cover any grays you have. As I'm 41 years old, so I'm like getting gray hair now, so it's okay. I'm like not coloring much of my grays because I'm keeping it as a highlight, so it's really good if you have a like really blonde hair and you don't have to like color your hair all the time. So like I think this is okay, but as you can see, like if this color will be on all over my hair, it will look much better, like especially this part, because this part is light. So yeah, so I'm working on it without bleaching. Okay, I can do in one day. Like if I'll bleach the hair and apply any color, like it will like if I bleach my hair and apply the color, it will like work instantly, which I don't want. Okay, that's why I'm doing like this. I don't want to bleach my hair, so if you don't like it, you can just leave my page, don't watch it please. This is how I am. Okay, what I'm doing, I will do that. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Who cares, you know? And I'm posting videos for the people who love my videos, and I have got lots of people who love my videos. Thank you so much for always like messaging me and like giving me video suggestion. Like literally the video I made, my skincare routine, it was like for most of the ladies on Instagram, they wanted me to do it. So yeah, we have a group there, so that's why we do all these random stuffs. But it's okay. Okay, so yeah, I think it's good. I did cut my hair in layers, so as you can see. So yeah, I'm going to color my hair soon, like maybe in upcoming videos I'm gonna be doing it with you all, of course. So yeah, do watch my skincare routine video. Like I'm gonna just dab like this, okay, whatever is left. This is how I do it. Like then I'll just do like this. You don't have to do this way, but I'm gonna do it. Look at my hand, I have to wash it after this. I just love to play around with this product, you know, and like this gives volume too, which is good. So this product is very cheap. I don't know, like I think some of the companies sent me this, and if you want, like I might leave the link below in the description box. So I think I have a link. I think I did a review video. It's up on my channel. So it's already 10 minutes I'm talking. So I'm going to like do my lashes now, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing with you all. Okay, let's do my lashes now. Literally I feel like there's nothing on my face if I'm not wearing lashes. Okay, so I have to do Isha's lashes too. Like she took it out just now, like she knows I'm going to do mine one because I took it out yesterday, so she wants to do it too. So yeah, let me wear this. I'm gonna be like doing a makeup tutorial video. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my lashes now.
Why?
So I'm going to use these lashes today. I think I have shared this on my TikTok and Reels, I think, and also shorts. So, but I'm going to apply mine today, and I'm going to use the glue from here. This glue and sealer and this remover, they are like sold separately on Model Rock's website. You can just buy that one, and like this one we got from
Sheen.
the other day. Like I think I showed it to you all.
Is there tape on it or something?
Okay. Oh, look at the what do you call this case. So this is how the Sheen one looks. It's like kind of very small. Like I think if you have gaps, you can fill it up with this after applying the lashes. But I think this is really beautiful too. And like I thought it's a bit hard.
Is it hard?
No, it's very soft. So literally I'm not gonna be using this one. So but this, I don't know how much it cost, but like it's under $5, I think, on Shein, na, Isha?
Yeah, I think it was like $7.50 or something like that.
Okay, so I think I shared in my lash extension video. This one is the bond, DIY extension bond glue, and this is the sealer. So you apply this and then apply the lashes, which is this one I'm going to use, and then you seal it up with this one. And if you want to remove it before the time, like it lasts around 7 to 10 days, so if you want to remove it, you can use this remover, okay, to remove it. And I'm gonna be using this one too. Okay, so let's do it. Let me find my lashes first. Okay, look at the lashes, they are just so cute. So I'm gonna be applying from this end, like as this end looks bigger, so I'm gonna go from here to here. So I'm gonna be applying, I think, 3 to 4. So let's do it. Okay, I hope you can see me.
James, are you going to use that one for Eliza's graduation?
No, I'm gonna order
Oh.
pick. When is the graduation? It's coming up, no?
Yeah,
End
of this month.
Okay, so I'm gonna be just taking the thingy and applying it. Can you open this thing? Applying it here.
Jesus. Is he running?
like this. Always hold like this, okay? This way. So we are just going to, I think I need more of the glue because
Can't you also put the glue on the like band thing?
yeah, you can, but I think this lash is a bit thin, so you don't need. I think thinner ones are really better than thick ones, like thinner band. I hope you can see it in the camera, Isha.
Yeah, you can. It looks like you're trying to stab your eye.
Yeah, I think it's done.
Ooh.
So much difference, like when you wear lashes and when you don't. Last one I took it out earlier, like literally
There was this huge gap in her lashes, and it makes me so mad whenever
yeah, I took it out and like I think I lost one. So I'm going to just apply a little bit of a sealer now. I think I shared this in my previous videos, so this is it.
Hello.
Hi.
Ah!
Egg है रे.
Huh?
Egg.
Egg.
Yeah,
Who eat the egg?
me.
Little bit oil time. After 100 years it will come out.
No. Oh, okay. That is a lot of oil.
I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, so you can watch my next video to see.
Yeah, you better watch it, bitches.
कारीगरी करता तुम सबके भाग जीता.
It's okay.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to make myself some coffee. Look at it, so dirty.
We
My
literally
coffee
just
mach-
cleaned this. Like,
yeah, clean it please, Isha.
wait.
She's my coffee maker. She's taking out like this. No, don't do that. You have to take out
Yeah, I
from
know.
here.
But, like, I'm talking about these ones first. Oh,
Okay, clean it. So dirty. Okay. कौन ला बनाता?
Dulce.
Okay. After that, you're gonna clean the lounge area, okay?
Like, I'm a slave.
No. And show me your nails. It's gorgeous. ऐसे रखा. It's beautiful.
I don't know where this one went. It disappeared.
Oh.
Yeah. I need to tie the strings.
हमारा अंडी ज़्यादा ड्रो में सूता है. I just took out the undies, so she's sleeping there. She loves that spot and the smell.
Oh, तो बेटी अंडी लगता है.
सिम्बा सिम्बा हेलो बोलो, सिम्बा हेलो बोलो, हेलो। इतना सुंदर वाला बेबी है हमारा ना।
easy.
या ये बेबी तो बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत काते।